Hello and welcome to Shrimpy's YouTube channel. My name is Jade and today we will look at the dollar cost averaging feature in Shrimpy. Dollar cost averaging allows us to add funds to a portfolio at any time and rebalance those funds based on our target allocations. When rebalancing, Shrimpy only trades the new funds. To turn this on, we go to the Automation tab. We select the example automation and select Show More Rebalance Settings and scroll down to dollar cost averaging. We enable this feature. Select Save. Shrimpy will ask if we want to rebalance our portfolio now. We will select No as we did not add funds to the portfolio just yet. Dollar cost averaging is now turned on. To demonstrate how this works, we will transfer funds from the default portfolio to our example portfolio. Select Manage Portfolios and click into the default portfolio. Select the assets we want to move and select Move Funds. As soon as the funds are transferred, a rebalance is triggered. Only the funds that we've added to our portfolio are included as a part of the rebalance. If you have any questions on how dollar cost averaging works, please reach out to the support team at support@shrimpy.io. We look forward to hearing from you.